Wave Maiden came from my desire for greater health and wellness. I had many health issues and challenges as I was growing up, and they followed me into my early adult life. And I studied nutrition and herbalism, and through deepening my relationship with my body and the earth, I found that I wanted to spend my life dedicated to plant medicine and herbalism and providing all of the healing I could. I finished plant medicine school. I started to take on some clients on the side, and it was wonderful for me to explore what kinds of plant medicine people reacted to and what was the easiest way to incorporate it into their routine. And what I found was people didn't necessarily want some medicinal tea at the end of their day. They really wanted a cold beer or a glass of wine. And so I just had this aha moment where I was like, I really need to figure out how to put these plants into the beer, because we can start to incorporate this idea of herbalism as ritual and beer as ritual into people's day-to-day lives. The beer industry is, like most large industries, incredibly wasteful, and I wanted to look at the whole system and see where I could reduce some of this negative impact. And so when I began the course, my goals were really centered around where can I source product from and feel better about it. And what I found really quickly was this was a total paradigm shift for me. So refocusing and looking at your whole system and supply chain as a whole living, breathing thing within itself, you get to refocus, how do I add value for all of my stakeholders? We have to believe that we are able to create a change, and we're just in the nick of time.